Lighting without wiring.
Lighting without wiring. That's
Lighting
it.
without wiring.
Thanks very much for coming and joining me today. It's great to have you with me.
Well, thanks for having me. Looking forward to seeing your new products. Your lighting without wiring concept is excellent. I love the products you have in the market so far, and looking forward to seeing your new ones.
Great. So let's take a look at these.
So here is our Lamplighter product range. For the application, we need a light source with a very high intensity designed to feed that light into the fibers. So on the left-hand side is the Lamplighter 1. Next is the Lamplighter 2 that holds double the number of fibers and is brighter. And then we have double the brightness in our Lamplighter 2S, the supermodel. We are just introducing the Lamplighter Flashing Animation Unit, so you can now animate your layout together with illumination from the Lamplighter 1 or 2.
So let me show you how easy it is to light a light.
Okay.
So if I took some fiber, all I need to do is snip off the end of the fiber to get the length. I'm then going to take that, insert that into the Lamplighter.
And there it is, as simple as that. Couldn't be any easier. So, is it that easy to light a building as well?
Absolutely, Al. Let's go and take a look.
I'd like to show you how to light a building. All you do is drill a hole, mount a fiber, and you'll have plenty of light. It's as simple as that.
Well, Michael, you have quite the product line here. I love the carriage house lamps down by the church, the globe lights all along your waterfront, swan neck lamps, the vehicle lights, headlights and tail lights, nice effect. The lit billboard in the back is very nice, and I love the Christmas lights. Very nice effect. Just a beautiful product line, Michael. All right, Michael, I see with your system that you can light multiple lights, but how do we go about lighting one light here and one light there individually? How does that work?
Wow, everybody asks me that at the shows.
Can we do anything like a railroad crossing, a flashing light? Is that possible with your system?
And guess what, Al? We've just come up with a new unit, and let's take a look at it.
So here, Al, is the Lamplighter Flasher Unit attached to 2 signal crossings and 2 detectors. The detectors connect to the power on the left-hand side of the unit and are wired into the right-hand side to trigger it. Well, and if you want to add sound, just wire it up the same way as the detectors. So you've seen the unit flashing. Now you can see it blinking on the tall building as an aircraft warning light.
Well, Michael, now that we've seen your flashing and blinking lights, suppose we want to light a single light in an individual room, turn it on and off. How would we go about doing that and controlling it?
Great question, Al. So we have the Lamplighter Flasher Unit here. We can turn the light on in the house or off using digital command control. So Al, thanks so much for coming and joining us today.
Well, thanks for having me. It was nice to see the illumination, the animation, and all done without wiring. So simple, but yet so powerful.
Thanks, Al.